There are three main types of solar power systems. The first option is an off-grid system, which allows you to both produce energy with solar panels and store energy in batteries. An off-grid system is perfect if you are powering a project in a remote location or if you do not have access to a traditional power grid. The second type of solar system is a grid tie system, an option if you're installing solar or another green energy system on a home that is already connected to a traditional power grid. Grid tie is typically the cheapest system because it does not require batteries to store energy. If you produce more energy than you need, a grid tie system can send excess power back to the grid. This process is called net metering and can offset your power bill or even become a source of income. On the flip side, if you end up using more energy than your solar panels produce, the grid tie system simply draws the power you require from the grid. The third type of system is grid tie with storage. This system works the same as a grid tie system, with the added bonus of having batteries to store energy for times when your energy requirements spike or for use in the case of a power outage. If you have any questions about a project you're working on, please feel free to reach out to either myself or Axel through tinylifesupply.com.